Alright, here we got inside the Enphase Charge Center. Pretty cool thing. We got 100 amp main breaker. We got the 1, 2, 3. Pretty crazy setup in here. And then from your bus bar, you got the grounds and neutrals, and that goes into that setup. And this is going to be where all the dedicated circuits go for the backup power in case power goes out. Those are going to be the dedicated circuits. Then we got our on-off disconnect, and that goes all the way back to backfeed in the main panel. And then after that, we got another disconnect, meter, battery, second disconnect, meter, battery, and then of course the Envoy. And we will do another video when we commission this, and that'll be after the city passes it. And if also we'll do another video, and Isaac will do a lead installer. He'll do a step-by-step on how this all goes together and how he completed it, and any kind of tips you can give for anyone that's about to do one of these installs. But that cover goes back on, and the back of this cover has a ground that's not very long, so you have to disconnect it or leave it hanging. It's going to go into that terminal. So yeah.